Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Mr. Prasanna. Mr. Prasanna,
Yes, sir.
you come from Bid, Maharashtra.
Yes, sir.
Have optional anthropology.
Yes, sir.
Did your MBBS? Very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good
Thank you, sir.
and checkered kind of situation.
Thank you, sir.
Can you tell there are some rules for disposal of medical waste?
Sir, we have color coding: red bags, yellow bag, black and blue bags. Different kind of hospital waste need to go in those specific colored codes, which are handled by the trained the professionals. And in our hospital, a vehicle used to come every morning. Segregated waste, anatomical waste goes to the different color and
Where
surgical
they will
waste.
take it?
They will in Mumbai it was collected by the municipal corporation truck, and there was a separate incinerating facility of BMC at
Okay, good. Then if somebody violates, some hospital violates it, what can be done?
Sir, most of the collection is done by the servant at the class 4 level. So directly taking any action against hospital would be unwise. We have to search for any lacuna.
It is the duty of the director of the hospital?
Yes, sir, but there is a scope for human error, which we need to first.
No, what is the course of action as per the rules?
Yes, sir. As per the rules, there need to be first an inquiry, an analysis of the situation, and if there is a grievous threat,
who is competent authority?
superintendent of the hospital is the accountable person for this thing.
He is accountable, but who is competent authority to take action in this?
Action, sir, the health commissioner, if it's a metropolitan, or another, if it's a medical college, then dean can take action against such mismanagement.
Okay, good. Then are you aware of the Human Genome Project
Yes, sir.
recently launched?
Yes, sir.
Who has launched it and what is the objective?
Sir, Human Genome Project is launched by, sir.
By whom?
Sir, sorry, I am not
No
able
idea.
to. but
Any idea about objective? Recently it was
yes,
in
sir.
the-
Objective I know.
What is the objective?
Sir, it is to create a data of all the possible genetic variations, genetic shifts and drifts that were observed around our population, of human population, mostly Asia genome. It is the most of the DNA samples would be from the Asians, and interpersonal variations at the genetic level we need to study. That is the data which will give understanding for our evolutionary history as well as the possible genetic diseases.
I see. So it will be done at Asia level.
Most of the subjects are from Asia, but other continents are also involved. Dedicated to Asia is Asia Genome
But
Project.
worldwide it has been done already in 2002.
Yes, sir.
All human genome has been deciphered.
Yes, sir.
Then what is the necessity of this thing?
Sir, this genome project will give us a holistic idea and in an integrated
You
manner.
mentioned some gene drift. What is genetic drift?
Sir, genetic drift is the sudden change in the gene pool of a population, which lead to the evolutionary changes.
How it happens, sudden change?
Sir, it has to do something by the, as Darwin said, the theory of natural selection. The natural forces acts on the variations in the genes that leads to some adaptive changes which may be beneficial or not be beneficial. Sir, the cancer, in my personal opinion.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, sir.
I'll give you a small situation.
Yes, sir.
Again of the hospital.
Yes.
You are the Director General of Health Services of Maharashtra.
Yes.
And there are some complaints coming from different people who are going to the hospitals for treatment. And they say that doctors and staff don't come in time and they go early. Secondly, the medicine which are supposed to be distributed free, they are being sold outside and we are not getting medicines. These are the two problems coming to you as a DG Health Services. What will you do?
So first, we have technological help for this. We can have a biometric of all the employees which are in the hospital. And the biometric will be set with a deadline of the incoming hours. And coming.
And if somebody doesn't come in time, what you will do? He comes half an hour late.
Sir, that he has to comply.
No, he doesn't comply. That is the situation.
Sir,
what you
then-
will do?
Yes, sir, definitely. Then the inquiry will be set up. His side of this.
Why inquiry? It is already well known that he has not come. Inquiry is to find out the facts.
Yes, sir. But still, we need a formal. We need to have a formality because he might be a person of union, and one-sided action can deliver.
He may be union or non-union. You will have separate rules for them.
Sir, inquiry which will be substantiated from the fact of a biometric machine, and we can definitely have action,
Okay.
strict action on him. But it will be a
What
formal
about the
procedure.
medicines which are being
Sir,
sold?
medicine. This is the utter violence of our rules and ethics rule of
No,
hospital.
what you will do? Concentrate on that.
Sir, I'll definitely call upon the chief of the pharmacologic department and the pharmacist, chief pharmacist. I'll discuss the issue, and those a single person cannot smuggle out the medicine from a hospital campus. There must need to be a nexus of employees. So we will find out the nexus of the employees, and the stringent possible action in the due course of law will be taken against them.
In the due course of law or according to law?
According to law, sir. Sorry.
Climate change
Yes.
is a very important matter,
Yes, sir.
and let us say you are a UN representative of India,
Yes, sir.
and you have to convince developed countries that they should agree for actions required for climate change in respect to the climate justice.
Yes, sir.
So how you will persuade them?
Sir, I would take this issue with the developed countries on a multilateral forum like UN, and will ask them for the commitment that were made in the Doha round with shared
Doha round?
Doha round of the Conference of Parties of UNFCCC, United Nations Framework on Climate Change.
When was it?
Sir, as far as I remember, it was 2012 or 13, the Doha round.
I see. And after that, Paris has happened,
Paris
2015?
agreement has set a very ambitious goals for each country with intended national
No, I'm
determined.
not asking what Paris happened in Paris. I'm asking after that Paris has happened.
Yes, sir.
So you will go back to Doha only, or
Sir, Doha gives us the mechanism for a separate developed countries and the mechanism for developed and developing
what
countries.
is
Or,
that mechanism?
sir, some leniency has been shown towards developing country that
What
they
is it?
need to fulfill their socio-economic ambitions for their own countries. So leniency was there.
Good.
So
Good.
yes.
Kindly differentiate between the food waste and food loss. What is the difference between the two?
Sir, food waste and food loss. Sir, food waste and food loss. Sir, food loss as termed by the Central Institute of Post-Harvest Engineering Sciences, Chandigarh, it is the preventable loss that occurs from right from the stage of harvesting, warehousing to the market value chain. But food waste is something that we see the food that was intended for consumption after cooking was gone to waste in social ceremonies like marriages or parties. So food loss is I think harvest loss, and waste is something that is much preventable.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Mr. Prasanna, it's a very interesting DAF before me. I noticed that you have opted for the Delhi Andaman Nicobar Island civil service and the police service ahead of many of the Group A services. And why is that so?
Sir, I deliberately filled those and higher columns because, sir, I am interested in administration at par. Administration maybe or in a police department. I want to serve in a generalist platform, not some specialist platform. That's why I filled the Group B.
You're a very qualified person. You've done your MBBS and now you want to go into administration. Can you name one person who was a medical doctor and then became the chief minister of a state in India?
Sir, we celebrate National Doctors Day on his birthday, 1st of July, Dr. B.C. Roy, sir. He was the chief minister for 16 years to the
Very
state
good.
of West
Now
Bengal.
that you mentioned we celebrate Doctors Day, I see from your education that you studied science.
Yes, sir.
On which day do we celebrate Science Day?
Sir, it's in the month of February, 28th February, sir. It's
And
mine.
why?
On that day, C.V. Raman, sir, has given the effect, the C.V. Raman effect.
Okay. Tell me, do you follow the news, read the newspapers on a regular basis?
Yes, sir, I do.
Who's Rishi Sunak and why was he in the news?
Rishi Sunak. Sorry, sir, I have to read on that.
Okay. Who's written this book called The Art of the Deal?
Art of the Deal. Sorry, sir, I don't know.
Okay, it's written by Donald Trump, who's going to be visiting India. That's why I asked you.
Okay, sir.
Have you been following developments relating to Donald Trump's visit?
Yes, sir.
Which deals are likely to be signed during his visit?
Sir, I have read it in a newspaper that there are no much deal on the table with the US president. The main thing was the tariff issue was there. So,
But there is a deal which is going to be signed, which is a very important deal.
sir, sorry, sir, I don't know.
Are we going to procure any defense equipment from the United States? Are we interested in a deal for that?
Some
Have
defense.
you been reading on
Yes,
about
sir.
that?
I just can't
What
memorize the name.
defense items are being talked about? It's in the papers.
Yes, sir, I read, but there was a defense deal. We just procured Apache helicopters, Chinook helicopters from USA, but the recent which was on table, I don't know.
Okay. Did you follow developments relating to Def Expo?
Defense Expo.
No.
Sir, yes, sir. It was it happened around a fortnight in the Uttar Pradesh only,
Where?
in a defense corridor.
Defense corridor?
That is proposed defense corridor in Uttar Pradesh.
How many defense ministers of foreign countries attended that?
Sorry, sir. I don't.
Okay. You have given the foreign services your third option.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, why is it that we have an embassy in Nepal and a high commission in Sri Lanka?
High Commission
You
in
do.
Sri Lanka, sir. In Commonwealth nation, we have High Commissioner that I know, and Nepal was not a member.
How many countries in SAARC are Commonwealth countries?
Sir, I would have to count.
SAARC. You know
SAARC.
this?
India.
How many countries are there in SAARC?
Sir, I can count them if you allow.
Yes.
India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Myanmar was not there. Sir, I am not sure about Sri Lanka.
Okay. Let's talk of another organization, BIMSTEC.
Yes, sir.
How many countries are there in BIMSTEC and which countries are those?
Sir, which countries I will go?
You know.
I will quote them first.
Okay.
India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, Myanmar, and I think Thailand. Thailand is also there. So Sri Lanka, seventh.
Okay. Did you follow the budget?
Sir, I have
India allocated in this budget 100 crores for organizing a summit meeting. Which summit meeting and in which year?
G20. Sir, I am not
Sure, you're not sure.
but 2022 we have a G20 summit in New
So
Delhi.
was this allocation for that?
Sir, I don't know that, but that is a major summit coming. So
It's in 2022.
22. Huh?
Which year? Where is it going to be held this year in 2020?
G20.
And where was it held last year?
It was held in Osaka, Japan for the
And
last
this
year.
year?
So this year I don't know. Sir.
Okay. Did you follow matters relating to the Statue of Unity?
Yes, I have read about
At
it.
which rank globally does that statue stand?
Height wise,
Yes.
it is the tallest statue.
What is the height?
Height is 183 meters.
182. is
182.
what they say. I didn't measure, but they say 182.
Yes, sir. 182 constituencies of Gujarat.
And it is the statue of Sardar Patel.
Yes, sir.
Who was Sardar Patel?
So Sardar Patel, widely known as the Iron Man of India.
But in the government, what did he serve as?
Sir, he is the founding father of Indian civil services.
But what did he serve as? In the
Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister.
how
in the
many
first
deputy
cabinet.
prime ministers has India had?
Sir, I would again have to count.
Count.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel first, then next Lal Krishna Advani second, Mr. Lal Krishna Advani second. Sir, these two deputy prime minister I can.
There were 5 in between. One of them from Maharashtra.
Sorry, sir. Yashwant Rao Chauhan, sir.
He was a deputy prime
Yes,
minister.
he was also deputy.
4 more. Anyway, you're not remembering it. Which day is celebrated as International Day of Yoga?
Sir, it's in the month of June.
Which day?
20. May I guess, sir? 23rd of June or 28th of June?
No, 21st. Last question. The Time magazine declared Mahatma Gandhi as the runner-up in the Person of the Century award. Runner-up. Whom did it declare as the Person of the Century?
Sorry, sir. I have to read on that, sir.
Sir.
Thank you so much, Dr. Prasanna. Our discussion with you is over. Kindly wait for a few minutes outside.
Yes,
We'll
sir.
call you for feedback.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.